Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so much for joining the family. And all of those who are there from the beginning, manners and respect. Now, today is going to be a serious video. You know? It's a very serious video because we are going to be checking out something. I have to get you a little in order for me to get you in tune to what is going to happen. I have to tell you a little bit about my business. I mean, no, never like hear it, don't it? I got a little kulo, you see? And the kulo means, kulo is it's a primitive patois. I want to ask my friend Amaru Cooks if in his country Suriname they use this term as a little primitive thing, kulo. Because can I tell you something? The Surinamese we have a lot in common. We and them have a lot in common in the cuisine, in the language, all of that. So I'm going to ask Amaru, I am asking you here and now. Do you know the word kulo, my brother? So, kulo, as I said to you, is a, and you want to say, I wish you check, but no, of course we are going to cook. What are you talking about? Kulo is a little long time word when we used to that country, me hear my mother say kulo. Kulo is a little things when somebody give, not you, but somebody else, like your little sister or your virgin, some things. And I think kulo is like some little foreign things. When your friend get foreign things, and you have your sister and your good friend and then give you a little light. So, my friend, these things weren't sent to me specifically. My friend got some kulo, a little things from fine. I don't think it was a barrel, but a little things. That's why we call it kulo. So she decided, say, she wanna give me a little bit. And in this little bit, what she gave me a pack of these beans. But the bag got burst from me, so I just use a little elastic. So, come on, girl, could you shoot them up on this bean? A bean. Roman beans. I guess all of you are quite familiar with it. I am not familiar with it, but when I looked at it, I realized that the eye part of it, it has the look of the Jamaican. The eye of it right here, it has the look of the Jamaican dry cowpeas. And all of you who are watching me on this video, who are Jamaicans and you know cowpeas both dry and green, please comment. It is a very nutritious peas. It tastes good. Cowpeas, we use it to make rice and peas and also to make soup. And I think they can stew it with saltfish too. So the cowpeas doesn't have these streaks, but it is a rich peas. And I am looking at it and I say it has the eye of cowpeas. So I want to share with you today on the Jamaican cooking journey. And I asked Camera Girl to Google it, and she said, what them say, Camera Girl? What did they say about these peas, the Roman beans?
They use it in Italian dishes like soup, stews, and some other stuff.
Okay, they use it in Italian dishes like soup and stews. Not sure, I think she said they don't know. I don't know if they know where it originates from. So we are going to use it today on the Jamaican cooking journey to do so. Because I don't know the texture of it, I've never cooked it. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to wash it. Let's look at it. You all who know about it, please comment what you use it for. What do you use this Roman beans for? It looks out, the cowpeas doesn't have these little stripes, and it's a little bit darker, but the eye of it looks just like the Jamaican dry cowpeas. Maybe the cowpeas grains would be a little smaller. So what I want to do, I want to go ahead and wash it. As my sister said, Debbie, try it now. I don't know if you do it. So I'm going to try it right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. So I'm going to wash it, leave it to soak just as I do my red peas. Yes. And I am going to leave it to cook. When it is cooked, I'll return. I want to see the color that of the liquid that I'm gonna get first and foremost, and most of all, I want to see the texture. I want to share that with you. So me I go now, me I go wash it off. And the best way to wash your peas is through like a colander or something. You put it under the pipe running, you know, and you wash it so everything will go and wash it till everything is clean. This is a good way, really efficient. So I'm gonna go now, wash it, leave it to soak as normal would I do with red peas, rice and peas or any other peas, and I'm gonna leave it to cook. So when you see me next, this thing will be cooked and we'll be looking, you and I, you know we do things together right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. We're going to look at the color of the water, and most of all we're going to be looking at the texture. Okay, so now family, our peas is cooked. So let us get into this peas pot. I got more than this, but I took out some to freeze that I can use it another time. I really wouldn't want so much at this point, so you can also do it if you want to do the whole pack and take out some and you let it cool properly and freeze it. But you must remember to lose a little of the liquid when you take. I'm just treating it like my regular red peas, you know, because I don't know anything about it. So you leave it with a little liquid and then you leave it to be properly cool. Then you can put it in your container and freeze it for the future. Now look at this. This is the color of the liquid. Not as red as the red peas, which I knew that would have been. This is like, I think this is the color, or this is a little less than the color that we get when we use the Jamaican dry cut peas. But nevertheless, I was anticipating that this would be the color. Now we remember in a recap, we want to test for the color of the liquid and also the texture of the peas. Now mind you, I am treating it as my regular Jamaican red peas. Me I do it just like how me do my Jamaican rice and red peas. We are trying to make rice and peas out of this Roman beans something here. Roman beans, camera girl? Yeah. So we want to test now for the texture of the peas. So I did not cook it all the way through. I cooked it like 3/4 of a way because I'm going to put in some coconut milk. I'm going to be putting in some coconut milk. So I want the coconut milk to finish cook with it, probably another 10 to 15 minutes to get, because you know you have to cook a coconut milk a little way with the peas before you put in your rice. And I have the authentic Jamaican rice and peas on the channel. Go check it out, y'all. Okay? So you don't, some people, well, we're not going into that. Let us stay into this. Now, I want to test for the texture of the peas because I told you I did not cook it all the way through. And look at it. Yes, it has the same texture of red peas. I'm gonna taste it for you. I would say a little more, what am I gonna call it now? A little more mushy, a little more moist than the red peas, I would say. Just a little bit, not much. So I'm gonna put my liquid up and my flame on. Just a little bit. Nice though, really nice. Real nice, rich taste. So look at this. I have my milk here and I'm gonna put in some freshly squeezed coconut milk. I'm gonna warm it because I want, you know, more than warm. It's a little more than warm. Okay, so I have me heat up. Now that you put the milk in there, yes. This is how the Jamaican dry cow peas would look when you put the milk in there. Yes, this is the color you would get. Therefore, it is telling you that you won't have a red rice and peas. Yes, I knew. This is the color that we get when we use the Jamaican gungo peas. Not gungo peas, dry cow peas. Now, I am going to treat it just like how I treat my red peas, as I tell you. I'm using some dry thyme. Normally, we would use green thyme when we're cooking the red peas, but my favorite put some dry thyme in this. But you know, I want to try the dry thyme. So you know this, and some pimento seeds. Now remember to wash your pimento seeds. You see, remember to wash your pimento seeds. Do not use them from the bottle or the containers you buy them in the store. Remember to rinse them. If you want to empty out the whole container and rinse it in a sieve under the pipe and then put it out on your cupboard, let it dry, fine. But if you want to do it each time, don't just use them. You see? Okay, just a little tip for you. Now I have right here some frozen scallion. I've been using a lot of frozen scallions. I have them. You can use fresh scallion. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to eat a little rogo, drop it in there. My eat is a little more than medium. And I'm going to nice it up a bit by putting a little, 2 more extra cloves of garlic. We pressure it, cook it with some garlic. So we're going to put now some fresh one in there, you know, to bring up the flavor. As I tell you, you know, I'm treating it just like my Jamaican rice and red peas, because we are working on it to see what will happen, because I am so excited. I can't wait for the finished product, you know. I want to see the finished product. So that's it. We have everything in, because we'll put our pepper, our pimento seed, our thyme, our scallion, and our yeah, so we're going to be salting this thing. You must be careful on your salt intake. Your salt intake is up to you. Mine is up to me. So we're going to put this in. Yes, and the color of the liquid. This is the color of the rice and peas that we're going to get. Not a red rice and peas and not a white one. This is the color of it. So we want taste. Now remember, we're not showing you in depth, you know. We're just trying out these peas. Okay, that salt intake is good for me. And I'm going to put my flame to medium to give this a little time to let the coconut milk cook and to give the peas the little finishing cook that it needs. So, in between all that, I am going to be putting in my rice. I'll not be showing how I put in my rice. You all know to cook your rice and peas. If you don't, please go on the channel and just type in West Indian Delights Authentic Rice and Peas. And in that rice and peas, I did put a piece of pigtail. If you watch it in depth and you want to put a piece of salt beef in this, I wouldn't put pigtail in this one. I would put salt beef because it's dried, and the nature of the peas, I think salt beef would be good. Okay? So, when we return, you'll see the finished product. Okay? Okay, now family. This thing is finished. It is finished, and can I say something to you? It has almost the look of rice, the Jamaican rice and red peas. Now look at this. Now, put the camera on. You know the texture of your rice and peas. Do your rice and peas to how you like your rice and peas. Some people who use basmati, you get a more shelly rice and peas. I like my rice and peas like this. So choose the texture, choose how you want your rice and peas. I love my rice and peas with like this. I don't like it too shelly. So choose the texture. Choose how you want the finished texture of your rice and peas, okay? Now, look at this. This is the bean, you know, you saw we do it from scratch. And hello, can I say something to you? I have no clue. I don't know these people. I don't know who these beans come from. So this is not a paid, whatever you see. It's not a promotion. It's not no paid advertisement. I'm just showing you. And because I know a lot of people get them from time to time and I don't know what to do with it. The first I've gotten it and I just thought about it. I've got to taste this thing here. Right here, right now on the Jamaican cooking journey. The Roman beans, rice and peas. Let's taste. Yeah, but that country, yeah, mother go so. Please to comment. Don't do like I do. You see if you can't manage it. It's just people who have been your cure like me. Okay, yeah. If you ever see your mother do this or you ever do this, please comment. Put a little piece of salt beef if you care to give it a salt beef flavor. You understand? Please do. Now, I'm going to plate you up some and return. Okay? From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach, to your Sunday dinner table, it's Roman beans, rice, and red peas. We tried it. It came out successful. Please do enjoy. Now, this is just you do it, and this is like a serving bowl, so you put it on your table, or if you do it first, you just put along these ripe scotch. This is a small one, you see, it's light and it not even look like it's a full scotchy, but you put one of the ripe ones in there, just tuck it in there until you're ready to serve, to keep the flavor train rolling, and then you can like put like a piece of foil paper over it, and to keep it, you know, to let the warmness to just captivate the flavor, or to just pull out the flavor out of the ripe scotch bonnet and spread it all over it until you're ready to serve. Okay, if you have liked this video, remember to thumbs it up, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. And can I say something to you? If you want to be a member of the post notification crew, when you do subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell. When you do hit the bell, leave your comments below. You'll be in the first to know what is happening, then you can comment. Today's post notification shout out goes to Kathy Chin, no other than Kathy Chin. Kathy, I like your attitude on the Jamaican cooking journey, girl. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you. Kathy, you ever cook that bean here? Please do comment. Now, I'm going to leave in the description for you the taste of this rice and peas. I'm going to leave for you, if you care. It's not a must. I'm just sharing. In the description of this Roman beans, rice and peas, and R&B in the future, R&P, when you hear me say R&P and you see me left R&P in the description, it's a shortened form for rice and peas. R&P, rice and peas, okay? I am going to leave a Sunday dinner menu with this for you. And it's going to go like this. This here, with some ackee and saltfish, because I told you it's similar to the Jamaican green cow and dry cowpeas. So that when you do that, you would put some ackee and saltfish, get some, and that ackee and saltfish video is right on the channel. Everything I'm telling you to do is right here on the channel. Go check them out. You're gonna get yourself some nice crispy, crunchy, well seasoned fried chicken. Don't make any long water gravy. Make yourself a nice umami, sweet and sour dip for this chicken. Get yourself some potato salad, okay? And your drink of choice. A perfect, different Sunday dinner menu for you. That is if you like. I am going to leave it in the description. If you do, please make use of it. When you do make it, please to send me some picture on WhatsApp. Post it up on Instagram. I'll be making, this is for my dinner. I don't do this throughout, y'all. So I'll be making something with it, and I'll be posting up a plate of what I'm using with this for my dinner. Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.